They're just tired right now.
Puppies walking. Their first time to be out of that box. This one here is exploring the wide open house and seeing what he can find. Quick, get to the front. He's going to watch.
Okay. Camera's working today, so I guess we'll take some pictures.
Alright, let's put him out on the floor. Okay,
Moving around or no?
We can put him out on the floor.
Wet.
You tough guy. You tough guy. Yeah, you tough guy.
Is that Squeaker?
No, these two are French kissing. You teach your babies about that stuff? There better be a girl and a boy dog, too. Incest is bad enough, but... Yeah, there's Squeak going into action. Oh, here they come. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, get out here in the middle where they can see you. Come on. Come on out here.
Is our pup, we had him a couple weeks ago.
They're 2 weeks old.
Yeah, 2 weeks old. They just got their stitches taken out of their tails.
This guy just growled at me.
That female just started barking at me.
Say yours, Greg.
They
little
look the same.
Rotties.
Little Roddies. Hold them up by their moms. Hold them all on the same line. They're cute.
This is only 3 of them. We have 7. 1 girl and 6 boys. And they're cold out here, so we're not going to keep them out. We'll come
They're
right
not that
back.
cold.
I'm gonna set him down in grass, see what he does.
It's pretty chilly out here for them, guys. I don't know if that's such a hot idea, Greg. You think it's sick for
Yeah, they're
being
still.
in the
They're only
grass.
2 weeks. We didn't lay you outside in the grass when you were 2 weeks old.
Here, Leia, turn around and get a shot of Leia.
Mama.
Working for people. So I see she already knocked that plant down.
Did she really?
Well, that's really good.
Wait,
They're big enough to... He's going to jump out.
you guys are gonna wiggle out of my hands. I think they're too big to fit all 7 of them.
Nah, I don't know.
Stay here, or go get some more. Put his head down. His head up here. It's nice and warm in here, so we're gonna just
Just snuggle up.
snuggle up because it's kind of chilly outside. So we don't want to.
Get Leia to carry the basket then.
She probably could. I don't know. It's getting kind of heavy though.
Call
15
her.
pounds. Get another one. Brr. Did you growl at him? I wish one of you guys would growl on camera. It's kind of cute. I don't think we can get more than.
We got him there now. It's getting kind of crowded.
I got 4 in here. We're gonna kill somebody.
See if we can get Leia to carry around the yard.
Vamos. Aport. No, espera. Aport. Leia.
Aport. Aporta.
Aport.
Leia.
Leia. Aport. Ports. Ports.
Leia.
Leia. Ports. 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 No, I ain't gonna do that. Ports. Ports.
Leia. Hots. Come on. Hots. Hots. Leia. Hots.
Ports.
Hots.
Ports.
See now those puppies in it.
Yeah, really. Come on. This is too cold out here. Come on.
Where's the other one? Well, Greg, what do you think about those pups? A lot
I
of trouble?
think they're funny.
Why?
Because they're for like a 2-week-old pup. And then anywhere they just go. They're really they howl a lot.
Got all 7 of them? Uh-oh, they're following the milk wagon.
Careful, careful, David, careful.
Yeah, be careful, Dave. Don't want to drop any puppies, okay? Make sure you got a good hold on her. Yeah, maybe for show and tell, Mom can bring those puppies in now. Just for a couple of minutes, huh?
Now wait a couple more weeks. 4 weeks over. Give it a first shot.
Oh no, he's gonna poop on the rock. He's gonna poop.
No, poop.
Dun, 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 dun,
Are you pooping? No, he's not pooping.
False alarm.
He just rattled out of my arms. He just rattled out of my arms. That fell.
Yeah, be careful. I want to hurt yourself.
Come on.
Just pet it all over.
Keep going. I'll help. Huh.
Whatever. Look at this guy going. Holy cow. Mile a minute.
There's Mama and her babies.
Where's he at? Come on over here. That way. No, no.
No. Gonna climb onto me. I peed on right into my
Well, you
grass.
deserve to get peed on then.
Uh-oh. We got wings. Oh, he growled at me.
Arr. Arr.
Hey, both eyes are open.
These guys are quite vicious and
Growl
vicious,
at
but
me.
they're not afraid of people. I mean, they growl at you already. At 2 months, 2 weeks old, there's a couple of them that when you pick them up, they go. Arr. Davey, be careful.
Dave, careful how you pick those guys up.
That's not. Don't lay them on your lap so much that way, on their backs. Have them lay on your lap more like this, okay? And just think, in another week or so, over.
Shut up.
Ooh, somebody's pooped all over my pants.
Not too bad. You deserve your poop.
Who pooped on me? One of your babies pooped on me. Is it this guy? Ew. Your baby's pooped on me. Yeah, Leia's not a baby though. She's not just a big
She
baby.
used to be.
Are you?
Not too much of a baby.
See, I want just as much loving as these puppies. And I'm not happy unless I get it.
Look at it. He's hiding behind me.
Dave, careful of that guy, okay?
Yeah, come here.
If you drop it, we might have to kill the puppies.
Yeah, and then Leia would not be happy with us.
I'm going like this.
No, I know. Yes, it's one of your babies.
I think.
It's one of your babies.
I think this is
What are you
bear.
doing? Jesus. They like me.
And these guys like me too.
They like you?
Like a playground.
Be careful.
Oh, milk truck, milk truck.
Dave, be careful. Dave!
Craigie, get that puppy.
Get the
out of
puppy
this.
from Dave. Dave, that is not the way to pick up puppies, Dave.
No more. You don't touch the puppies no more.
You're
And
too
start
careless
your
with the
dog,
dogs.
And then when you push, roll them out of your arms, you did drop them. Now cut it out. When they're big enough that they can bite you, then you can pick them up.
Yeah, Dave, that's 400 weeks
Wow,
allowance you just
yeah.
rolled over
Look
like
at
that.
that. Look at that. He's climbing on me.
My shoe. Hey, you, come here.
See this guy right here who's standing right here. He
Leia!
just jumped right over. Yeah, look. Look. This is
Here
perfect.
they come. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
They say, where's that milk truck at? Ha ha, we found her. Where's that milk truck?
Look at that. Mom, look at this. They're all on top of me.
Leia.
I say, where's that milk truck at?
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm Greg the playground. It's Greg the playground. Don't feel deserted. Greg the playground. That's all of them.
Okay, guys.
Get David, get out of the way.
figure it out. You know they will. One just flipped over on one.
Help me.
Yeah.
Squeaky. Oh, where is it? I'm missing out on something.
Oh, where is that milk? I need milk.
Watch out, Davey.
Daddy's trying to take pictures. Back up. Come over here. Just for a minute.
Trying to take a video of them. Oh, video. So I can show it to them. Ow! To my
Greg, you gotta move out of the way too. You're blocking the light.
You're like, Drake, come over here for just
Step out of the way.
Stay over here. No, you're in the light. Come over here. There you go. Just let him be. This guy got something or not?
No!
Look, guys.
Look at that guy. He's upside down drinking. So, Mom, I got my Pinewood Derby cars checked up and signed in. Good.
Those are the puppies, right, guys?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. You can go and pet them now. I don't know if they like to be petted while they're eating though.
Can I have the video so I can show it to my whole class?
Uh-huh. You got a video player at school?
Yeah, but we also have a TV.
Well, explain to me about those doggies and tell me what their names are. Come on, you gotta explain to me if you want to take it to your class. You gotta act as narrator.
We don't know the names yet.
Tell us what's going on here, Dave. What's going on here, Dave? Answer me the questions.
There's Bear.
Which one's Bear?
That one.
Which one's Squealer?
I
Which one's
think
Bear?
This one's Bear. Bear's female. That's because she's the biggest one. This Lizard. Squeaker might be here.
Pull them all away and find out what squealing is.
No.
Oh.
How come we call him Squeak?
Because he cries and squeaks a lot.
Maybe you gotta answer this.
Does he squeak a lot? Nah. I don't think so.
And this puppy is Leia.
She's a good mommy, huh? Rottweilers are so ferocious. They're ferocious dogs.
This should be,
Right?
Spike.
Right, guys? These Rottweilers are killers. That dog's a killer.
Spike dog. Spike dog. This is Spike
Yep.
dog.
They are overprotective.
Rude
They
dog.
just don't like anybody. They're just mean dogs.
Rude dog.
Rude
This is
dog.
Rude dog.
Rude dog?
Ta-da.
They're just mean dogs, aren't they, Leia? You guys are
Root beer
just
dog.
killers. Yeah.
Root beer dog.
Oh, pet me.
No, I'm
Root beer
shy.
dog.
I'm shy. I don't like being videotaped. Don't videotape me.
This one's name is Scratcher. Because he's just scratched.
There's squeaking. Here's Squeak. He's making noise.
There he is. Here's Cracker.
Which one's Squeaky?
Only one Cracker.
Oh my
This is
gosh,
Cracker.
Leia. Couldn't even
This
give you
is
some
Cracker.
sausages.
Greg. I
Yeah.
mean Dad.
Which one's Cracker?
Don't pull on his legs.
The one that's
Yeah, the one that's trying
to.
the one that's making scratches all over the wood.
What are these dogs doing here? Are they fighting? What are they doing?
Put it that way.
Drinking what?
Milk.
Uh-huh.
Milk does body.
From the milk wagon, huh?
And this
Milk
one,
truck.
and this is Milky.
I don't know. They don't seem to be growing.
This one's Milky.
They look like...
Hey, when they were young, they were just about that big, but now they weigh over 2 pounds now, and
I'm sure.
they've already doubled their birth weight.
This
About
is
3/4 of a
Milky.
pound when they were born.
This is Milky.
How do you know?
Dad, this is Milky.
Why do you call him Milky?
Because he drinks a lot of milk.
Don't they all? I thought they all drank milk.
But I'm just calling him Milky.
Oh, okay.
And this one, and the last one.